Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a clear number line, a horizontal line with evenly spaced marks and a bold 0 in the center. Next, label integers both right positive and left negative. Once done, identify the multiplicand and multiplier. For example, 3 times 4 means take steps of 3, repeated 4 times. Make sure to choose the correct direction. Right for positive multipliers, left for negative. This setup makes the repeated addition idea visual and ready for action. Now perform the repeated jumps so you can see multiplication as repeated addition. From 0, take 1 jump equal to the multiplicand. For 3 times 4, jump 3 units to 3. Once you land, repeat that same jump 3 more times until you've done 4 jumps total. Make sure to label each landing spot with the running total so you track progress. If the multiplier were negative, reverse direction. Using color coding helps you follow sign changes and avoid mistakes. Finish by reading the point where you land. That position is the product. For 3 times 4, you land on 12 because you made 4 3-unit jumps. Once done, check the sign rule. 1 negative factor flips direction and gives a negative result. 2 negatives reverse back to positive. If your answer seems off, recount the jumps slowly, confirm your unit spacing is consistent, and redo with color-coded arrows. This troubleshooting step prevents spacing or sign errors and reinforces understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.